Blue whale, leopard or cub? What's your mutual fund spirit animal? In this video, we'll continue our journey into the fascinating world of mutual funds. If you've missed our earlier video on equity mutual funds, don't worry. You can simply head over to our handle and check it out there. Now let's dive into the three types of equity mutual funds. Today, we'll focus on three key categories: large cap, mid cap and small cap mutual funds. Let's break them down one by one. Large cap mutual funds, the blue whales of the stock market ocean. Large cap mutual funds invest in top 100 companies by market capitalization. Just like the blue whales, the calm giants of the ocean. These funds are known for their good track record, making them ideal for investors who prefer risk-adjusted returns with minimal surprises. By SEBI regulations 1996 and the rules thereunder, at least 80% of their investments is allocated to equity and equity-related instruments, within which at least 80% is invested in large cap stocks, aiming for dependable growth over the long term. If you're seeking for good investment opportunities, large cap mutual funds can be a suitable option. Mid cap mutual funds, the leopards of the financial jungle. Mid cap mutual funds focus on companies ranked 101 to 250 by market capitalization. These funds are the leopards, adaptable, agile and always on the move to explore new opportunities for growth. Just like leopards that strike a balance between strength and speed, mid-cap mutual funds take calculated risk to generate potential returns. While they come with some risk, they also aim to offer a balanced mix of potential growth, making them suitable for investors who are willing to take on some volatility in exchange for potential rewards. So if you're looking for potential risk-adjusted returns, mid-cap funds might be the right fit for you. Small cap mutual funds, the cubs of the investment world. Small cap mutual funds invest in companies ranked 251 onwards by market capitalization. These funds are like the cubs, curious, energetic and ready to grow into something large. However, just like cubs face more challenges in the wild, small cap mutual funds come with higher risks. These funds are suitable for investors who are ready to embrace greater volatility for potential returns. While there's always a risk of smaller companies struggling or even failing, the potential for growth makes small cap mutual funds a good fit for adventurous investors. So which of these funds matches your investment style? Let us know in the comments below. And stay tuned, keep watching our upcoming videos where we'll also cover and explore other types of equity mutual funds in greater detail. Until then, stay informed, stay healthy and keep learning. See you next time.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.